मुणकार आणि कुळकारांच्यो केशी हाताळपाक खासा मामलेदार नियुक्त करतले महसूल मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरातान सांगले। सध्या कार्यरत आशिल्ल्या मामलेदारांकडेन दिसपट्टी कामां आसात, ते भायर तांकां कायदो आनी वेवस्थाचेरूय लक्ष दिवचें पडटा। ताका लागून मुणकार आणि कुळकारांच्यो केशी तांकां हाताळपाक शक्य जावचें ना। देखून ह्यो केशी फास्ट ट्रॅक करपा खातीर खासा मामलेदारांची नेमणूक करतले, अशें मंत्री बाबूश सांगता।
During the assembly, when the assembly session was, we had a meeting with the secretary as well as both the collectorate from north and south. We have found out what are the difficulties. The difficulties basically is what there are less mamladars in different taluka. And there are mamladars basically who has got to see even law and order. The other issues also are there. So we are basically trying to fix that by putting a separate mamladar in each taluka to look after this law and order and all the other daily routine matters are concerned. And we are basically going to appoint more mamladars who are dedicated basically towards this munkarial and tenancy cases to look after. पहिले सध्या आम्ही डेडिकेटेड मामलेदार अपॉइंट करतले टू लूक आफ्टर दीस केसेस.
So in all cases?
Yes, in all the same. And फाल्यां अशें जावं कारण थोडे कितें जाता मामलेदार ट्रान्सफर जाल्लेले आसता. ट्रान्सफर जावन मागीर दुसरो मामलेदार हू टेक्स ओवर तो मागीर पत्तो वयता इन that case he takes back again from day one. It should be like how courts function. Even when the judges this thing, it is on record till what hearing you had taken place, and it should carry forward from there.